everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I have another box for you. It's not a new box per se. It's a box that I do on my channel and it's universe bound, but it's a universe bound sound chamber and it is an audio book box. It is a new, brand spanking new book box, but it's a kind of a sub book box, I guess I want to say. I'm very excited about this one because it's something that I think is going to be quite helpful for, I feel, people that can't, like, I know some people that can't read books, that would love to read books but can't read books, if you know what I mean. Like, they can't read the book but they love to hear stories. So an audiobook, I feel, is the perfect thing. They still have ears and they still understand the story, so why not an audiobook box? I think it's the perfect idea. So here is an audio book box. So with the universe bound sound chamber audio book boxes, this, you can get just the audiobooks and it's $15 with a $5 shipping rate. So it'd be 20 bucks and you would get just 2 audiobooks. And that is it, which is a steal. I believe it is a steal. I would pay this in a New York minute, pun intended. So you would get 2 of any genre, and he usually sends, you know, the instructions on how you can use your audiobooks and on how to use the your iTunes account and to download your audiobooks. So, and then you can get the other universe bound sound chamber audiobooks, and that comes with the tea, coffee, and the 4-ounce candle, which is the one that I received, and that is right here, and I'm very excited. This is the first box, that first shipment, and we are going to open it together. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Oh, I'm so happy. So let's get into this box. I've already cut it. No struggle required. You do not have to watch me struggle. So let's open it up. Here's what it looks like when you open it up. We have our little instructions on the top. I'll remove them so you can see. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what our little paper, our envelope has inside. Should be our instructions on how to use our audiobook. And it says universe bound sound chamber, and there's the instructions, and it tells us our contents, and the books are A Spy in Time, Methuselah's Children, and then we have tea, coffee, rock sugar, and a candle. And then it tells you a little bit about the books and gives you all the ingredients in the tea and the coffee and all that. So let's get into this box. This will be a shorter video, but that is okay. Sometimes that's all right. So there's our box. Oh, sorry, my nose was itching. Okay, so that is the contents of the box. Box is empty. We're gonna open. It's nice that this gets shrink wrapped, and then because all the contents, they would have bounced around and probably something would have gotten broken, and we don't want that. Okay. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay. So there's all our contents. I'm going to set them on the table. All right. So let's see here. Okay. So this is our coffee, and this is Sumatra ground coffee. It's made with high quality 100% Arabica beans, expertly roasted and immediately packed for freshness. Deep, intense flavor, captivating earthy and spicy notes. It's coffee you can enjoy and feel good about too. This coffee is amazing. I love this coffee. I suggest you drink it very early in the morning. Do not drink this at night because you will be up all night like this. I swear to you. Oh my goodness, this coffee is. Oh, it's amazing coffee. I love it. It is very strong, but if you like strong coffee, then it is a very, very good coffee. If you don't like strong coffee, you would probably want to half your, when you're making it, you might want to half it because it is very strong. But if you like strong coffee, then it is the coffee for you. It is very good coffee. I love the coffee. And then we have the tea, and of course it is a word that is going to make me sound like a crazy person. But I am going to at least try it and see if I can say it. Oh great, it's going to make me sound like I am going to be swearing. Okay, I'm going to spell it first so you understand my dilemma. It is Benifuki. Benefuki. I'm hoping that I'm not going to say it the other way because it does not sound like it's. I'm saying it in my head and I'm thinking I'm not saying it that way. Benefuki. That's how I'm going to say it. This tea is a true Oh my goodness, James, what are you doing to me? Wakucha, I hope I said that right. A Japanese grown red tea, a rare treat outside Japan. Light and smooth, this tea has bright notes and a natural sweetness. Loosely translated as red riches and honors. I should have read on. I know, I hear you in the back of my head saying, if you'd have kept reading, you would have known how to pronounce it. I hear you. Benefuki. Benefuki. I see. Is a delight, hot or iced. Grown by our friend Kanesishai. I can't say that one. A small team farmer in Shizuoka, Japan. Okay, so I didn't butcher it. Too bad. That smells so good. That smells delicious. But there is the tea. I just love, love, love the teas and the coffees. I don't know where he gets them from, but amazing, 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 amazing. And it says the ingredients are premium Japanese black tea from Benefuki cultivar and Azamika and Sinensis hybrid. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And then we have the candle. I think the candle was on the other. And this. Oh, wow, that smells amazing. This candle is filled right to the top. Just wonderful smelling candle. Very nice candle. They make their own candles. The candles always smell amazing. The candles are always gone before I receive my next box. I sometimes get wood wick candles. Sometimes I get just the regular wick candles. Both candles are amazing to burn. They last hours and hours and hours and hours. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then we have our rock sugar. And I was trying to see if there was any information on this. Open. Come on, open up now. Don't give me no problems. No problems from you. And there is that. It smells good. And there is that. Very nice. And then we're going to get into the audiobooks, which I am so excited about. I cannot wait. Okay, so the first audiobook we have is A Spy in Time. And this is, oh, I don't want to shine on you. Enver 11 is 25 years old and ready for adventure. He's the agency's newest recruit, eager to leap through his first gate into an unfamiliar time. In Enver's home city of Johannesburg, fair-skinned people are a rarity and have been for centuries. The people of Johannesburg were spared the ravages of the apocalypse because of the thousands of miles of mining tunnels running beneath it. The agency's thinking machines have set his first mission for Marrakesh circa 1955. His handler is the tough and taciturn Shanumi 6. Their mission, prevent the apocalypse from happening again. But when a cabal of temporal chaos bringers kidnaps Shanumi, Enver must strike out across the timeline's hotspots. Rio de Janeiro, 1967. Johannesburg, 2271. On a mission to preserve our very existence. His journey put him in the middle of a catastrophe, which will force him to put his assumptions to the test in an atmosphere of conspiracy and intrigue. So it's kind of like time jumping, must be. Sounds intriguing. Very nice. 9 hours and 18 minutes of listening. It says it has one disc in here. $15.99 value. Very nice. It says this is an award-winning novelist, Imran Kuvadia. The Wedding Tales of the Metric System returns with this crackling Afro-futuristic tale of intrigue in which the course of human history hangs in the balance. All right. All right. Sounds very interesting. And then we have this one by Robert A. Heinlein. Heinlein? I am no good with names. And this is Methuselah's Children. After the fall of the American Ayatollahs, as foretold in Stranger in a Strange Land and chronicled in Revolt in 2100, the United States of America at last fulfills the promise inherent in its first revolution. For the first time in human history, there is a nation with liberty and justice for all. No one may seize or harm the person or property of another, or invade his privacy, or force him to do his bidding. Americans are fiercely proud of their re-worn liberties, and blood it costs them. Nothing could make them forswear those truths they hold self-evident. Nothing except the promise of immortality. Well, that sounds pretty interesting. All right. Well, that there are 6 discs in here. I was wondering why it was so heavy. 7 hours of listening. Well, all right. Okay, well, that sounds very interesting. So we have 2 discs and our coffee and our tea. And then we have our candle and our rock candy. Yep, that's what we have. So we got all of this for $15 and our $5 shipping. So that is a very, very good deal. So now you know what I'm gonna say. If you'd like to get your own audio book box, your own, in your own home, I will leave the link down below for you to go ahead and get on over there and click that link and get your own box right on your doorstep. And I'm sure James would be more than happy to ship one right out to you. No matter where you are in the world, he will get it to you. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I will see you in my next video real soon. I got some books to read, well, to listen to. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.